Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to share classes with other teachers a part of your organization subscription. So if you share a class with another teacher, or want someone else to access your class, this feature is for you. Please note that this only works for teachers a part of the same organization subscription. This is not a feature for individual subscribers. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to Classroom in the top banner and click Classes from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your Classes page. Beside your class, you'll see your role as lead teacher because you are the creator of the class. Click the three dots next to the class you'd like to share and click Edit Team from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your team page where you will see your name and eventually the name of the teacher you invite. Clicking the eye icon right next to your role gives more information about what you can do as the lead teacher, including adding or removing students from the class and archiving or deleting a class. As a lead teacher, you cannot leave the class, meaning you always remain the lead teacher. Click the blue Add button below to begin inviting a teacher. You can click this arrow to view what permissions co-teachers have. Once you're ready, choose a teacher from your list, or use the search bar to find a teacher, and click the blue Send Invitation button. This will bring you back to your team page where you can see the name of the teacher you invited. Until they accept their invitation, the word pending will appear next to their name. Click the three dots next to the pending teacher's name to view the details of the invitation, resend it, or delete it. From the invited teacher's end, once logged in, they can click Classroom from the top banner and select Classes from the drop-down menu. The invitation will appear on the Classes page. Clicking See What You Can Do will allow co-teachers to view the permissions for the class. Clicking Accept will add the class to the co-teachers list. That's it for this video on how to share classes. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.